Meet the shoebill stork, one of the most bizarre birds on Earth. Standing up to 5 feet tall, with a beak shaped like a shoe and eyes that never blink. It lives in the swamps of Central Africa, hunting silently in shallow waters. Its favorite meal? Lungfish, baby crocodiles, and even turtles. The shoebill doesn't chase. It waits, completely still for hours, then strikes with lightning speed. Its stare looks cold, but it's pure focus. This bird isn't aggressive, it's precise. Built for survival in one of the toughest habitats on the planet. Strange? Yes. Terrifying? A little.